If your computer screen just flipped upside down, zoomed in so close you can only see 3 pixels, or starts flickering out of nowhere, don't panic. Getting it back to normal is actually incredibly easy. Let's get right into it. First up, let's fix a screen that's heavily zoomed in. If this is only happening while you are surfing the web, the fix is instant. Just press Ctrl and the 0 key on your keyboard at the same time. Boom! Your browser immediately resets right back to a perfect 100%. Another quick trick is to hold down the Ctrl key and simply scroll backwards with your mouse wheel until everything looks normal again. Now, if your entire Windows desktop is giant and zoomed in, you probably accidentally turned on the Windows Magnifier tool. To kill it instantly, just press the Windows key and escape. The screen will snap right back to normal size. Next up, if your screen is sideways or completely upside down, don't worry, you did not break your monitor. You most likely hit a wrong key combo. To fix this instantly without moving your mouse blindly, press and hold the Ctrl key and Alt, and then tap the up arrow key on your keyboard. That magic shortcut forces Windows to instantly restore your standard, normal landscape view. If that shortcut doesn't work on your specific system, right-click any blank area on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down until you see the Scale and Layout section and look for Display Orientation. Click that drop-down menu and change it back to Landscape. When done, click Keep Changes and you are good to go. Now, if your screen completely freezes, finally, let's talk about a screen where everything looks massive, blurry, or weirdly stretched out. This happens when your computer's scaling or resolution gets thrown out of whack. To fix this, right-click any empty space on your desktop and choose Display Settings. First, locate the scale option. If it's set too high, everything will look huge. Click the drop-down menu and set it to 100%. Or choose the percentage that has recommended written next to it. Right below that, look for the display resolution. If your screen looks stretched or fuzzy, click this drop down and make sure it is set to the absolute highest option, which will also say recommended. This ensures Windows matches your monitor's exact pixel count, giving you back that crisp, clear picture. And that is it. Your screen should now be completely back to normal and looking exactly the way it is supposed to.